Okay, I'm going to share you again. And here it is. A summary of speed, x kilometer per hour of 22 cars passing a certain point gave the following information. Sum of the x minus 50 is 81.4. Sum of the x minus 50 square is 671.0. Find the variance of the speeds and hence find the value of sum of x squared. Now I'm going to erase this, yeah? Let's recap again on the equations that we have. I'm going to stop this. We have them here that u bar is x bar minus k, or sum of the u over n is sum of the x over n minus k. As for this is about relationship between u bar and x bar, and about the relationship between standard variations of u and standard variations of x is sum of the u square over n minus sum u over n square is sum of the x square over n minus sum of the x over n square. This is the two equation that is used for coding. This is the relationship between the averages, and this is how we find average of u, and this is how averages of x. And this is how we have the standard deviations of both. If you are using u, then u squared over n over sum of u over n. If you're using x, is sum of the x squared over n minus sum x over n. And here is about the number of data. Okay. Now, once we got this, let's get back into the question. Here we have 22 cars passing certain point. This is the number of data we have. So n is 22. And we also have x minus 50 or u. So sum of the u is 81.4 and sum of the u square is 671.0. And from the coding here, we know that u is x minus 50. 50 is the constant with which we're going to change the x. They are asking variance and sum of the x squared. Okay. Let's see how we can do this. For the variance, because we have these two here, we can find the variance of u. The three data we need, sum of the u squared already here, sum of the u already there, and the n is already given, n is 22. All data is available, so we can find the standard deviation. Okay. Before that, calculate the variance first. Variance is sum of the u squared over n minus sum of the u over n bracket square. Sum of the u square is 671 over that is 22 minus 81.4 over 22 square. Okay. Who's next after last time is Stefano, right? Now I want Stephanie. Stephanie, okay. I want you to be a little bit more complicated. Calculate me all of this. Put into your calculator until you can just program it just equal.
Wait, yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. I'm going to help you on how to do it, yeah?
Sir, you
First,
blocked me the number.
oh, here. I'm going to show you here the number here. First, we're going to have the uh, formula for the fraction here and put here 671 and the bottom you
Is it
put 22.
16.81?
I haven't got them yet.
Oh, okay.
Minus, and then we put in bracket. Okay, we have the fraction 81.4, and at the bottom we have 22. We put them in bracket and then we square them. See, this is how we put them in one shot. But you need to know how to program it. Can you see my calculator? Okay, good one.
Yes,
Like
yes.
this. Okay. Now, if you can program it correctly, just put equal and you get a number here. 16.81. 16.81. Okay, now finding sigma. Be careful, they're asking sigma, yeah, not sigma square. Means the square root of 16.81. Okay, what is it? Okay. That will be Tiffany, right? Tiffany, what is sigma then? Or just
4.1.
sorry?
4.1.
4.1. Yeah. You have the sigma now, 4.1. Okay, now the next question, how to find sigma x squared? To find sigma x squared here, we can find them using the value of variance. We have them here. I'm going to write the variance here using the x. Yeah. Okay. Using the x, we know that sigma square is sigma x squared over n minus sigma x over n squared. Sigma square, we know 16.81. Sigma x squared over n, we don't know, that's what we want, over 22 minus bracket. Okay, now sigma x over n, we don't know sigma x, but we know 22 square. Now we have to number this and that. In order to find sigma x squared, we need to find this first. So how to find this? Let's do a calculation using this. In this case, we know k, that's going to be 50. We know sigma u, okay, that's going to be 81.4. So we can use back calculation to find sigma x here. The value of sigma x we're going to put here, and we can calculate sigma of x squared. That's the strategy. Let's do it. Sigma u is going to be 81.4 over the number of data is 22. That's going to be sum of the x over 22 minus 50, right? Is it 50? Let me check again. Yeah, minus 50. Okay. So with this data here, I want William to calculate what is sigma x, sum of x.
Okay.
Hmm? Telling you, I'm going to guide you step by step. Please be ready with your calculator, yeah? Obviously, the first that we want to find out this one here. So please calculate me what is this value. 81.4 divided by 22.
3.7.
3.7 equals sum x over 21 minus 50. Next, put the 50 to the other side. So we have sum of the x over 12 is
3.7.
yes, 53.7. Now, to find sigma x, the 12 goes to the other side. Okay, so I'm going to just write them here, yeah? Sorry. Sigma x is 53.7 times 12.
644.4.
644.4? Is that so?
Sir,
Okay.
is it
Yes.
12 or 22?
Iya.
Oh, 22. My bad. Yeah, 22. William, can you please calculate again? My bad. Times 22.
1181.4. 81, 81.
81.4.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we have this data here. Okay. We can put them there. Okay. Now we have everything here and write them here. 16.81 is sum of the x squared over 22 minus bracket 1181.4 over 22 squared. Back to Andra. Please calculate me sigma x squared. We are going to end in 10 minutes. If this is already 10 minutes, then I'm going to release you 5 minutes earlier.
Which one, sir?
I want you to calculate sigma x squared here. I'm going to erase this data here, yeah? Tell me what to do step by step. I'm going to write it for you. Okay. The first to do is we're going to calculate things in the bracket. Please calculate what is 1181.4 over 22. Always calculate things in the bracket first. 61.81 is sum x squared over 12 minus, Andra, what is 1181.4 over 22?
53.7.
Good, 53.7. We square them. Next, let's square them. 16.81 is sigma x squared over 12 minus, what is 53.7 squared?
Sir, I think should be
28.
Sorry, what?
22, not 12, sir.
Oh yeah, 22, sorry. I still get carried with the previous question. What is 50?
288.3.69.
Oh, can you spell one by one? 28 what?
88. 288.
Oh, sorry. 288.
3.3.69. 69.
Here?
3.69.
3.69. Here?
Yeah.
Okay, now, to find this, let's put this value to the other side. This is negative, so put there, become positive. 16.81 plus 2883.69. We have them here, just sum of the x squared over 22. Can you tell me what is this?
Two 900.5.
That is sum x squared over 22. Now the last one, if you want to find the sum of the x squared, the 22 goes to the other side. We multiply it. 2900.5 times 22, that's sum of the x squared. And that is?
63811.
Wait. Sorry, what? 63?
63811.
Okay. Done. That is how we calculate that. Basically, this is the two formula that we're going to use in this chapter. Any questions so far? No? Okay. If there's a question, then what is please prepare yourself for the semester assessment. Okay. For the semester assessment here, the material will be up until this. So we just use the first 3 chapters of the statistics.
How about the mechanics, sir?
Sorry.
The mechanics.
The mechanics, we're going to have them from the past paper. We're going to have a full past paper, okay, on the past. But don't worry, the mechanics will be quite easy.
Oh yeah, Mister.